welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how the ATM machine prototype using C programming language, which is a step-by-step guide I posted on my blog, how it works. This video will not show you how to type the code because that has been covered on my blog. So the link to the blog post is in the description below and will also be shown at the end of this video. So just keep in touch. I encourage you to try out this project if you are a new programmer, you are learning C, you're learning C++, please try out this project. So before I show you how this ATM project works, let me show you the overall code. So this is the overall code. As you can see, the program contains 375 lines with a lot of comments because comments is a great way to learn different blocks of code. From looking at this program, you see that this project will allow us to simulate an ATM machine, enabling users to perform various banking transactions such as withdrawals, balance inquiries, bill payments, fund transfer, and deposit. So these are the functions here. Let's start with the first function, which is withdraw cash. Before we do that, these are the customers. This program holds data for 10 customers. This is their PIN, then this is their account balance. So let's run the code. We click this button here. Just hold on and wait for a second. Now program is about to come on. Just wait. I'm sorry it's taking so long. It usually takes that long. Yeah. So now it's on. Please input your 4-digit PIN. So we are going to try this first PIN, which is the first user. So the PIN is 4121. So let's try that. 4121. See that? 4121. Now enter. It says you have been verified. You may now continue to your transaction. So what transaction would you like to perform? Or do you say you want to perform? Want to withdraw your cash? So let's pick one. You enter. How much cash do you want to withdraw? The limit for withdrawal is 50,000. So you either pick one, which is enter the amount, or you pick two, which is cancel. So let's pick one. Now enter the amount. Let's say we are withdrawing 3,000. Now we enter. It says your transaction is in process. The receipt has been generated. It contains your balance. Thanks for banking with us. Take your card. To start another transaction, please input your card. So the transaction was successful and the program has closed. So let's click on any number. Let's close the program. Now the receipt has been generated. So to check this receipt, let's go to our ATM folder. These are ATM folder. Yeah, these are ATM folder. So this is the receipt here, transaction receipt. So when I click on it, you see your transaction. Your transaction was successful. We remember we withdraw 3,000 naira. So when you check this balance here and check the balance on our code, you now see the difference. This is the first user's balance. We withdraw 3,000 and you now see the new balance here. You can see the difference when you cross check. So that's for the first transaction. Now let's go to the second transaction, which is check account balance. So let's try the second user right now, which is 3231. It's the Let's run the code. Now let's try the pin 3201. Yeah, you have been verified. So what do you want to do? Check balance, which is 2. Your balance is whatever the amount there. The receipt has been generated. Thanks for backing with us. Now the next one, take your card to start another transaction, input your card. So you can see this is the balance here. You can see this balance. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, you see that's the same balance here. So it says our receipt has been generated. So let's check out our receipt. We go back to our ATM folder. Now you see another receipt here. This is our first receipt for withdrawal. It's our second receipt for account balance. So let's check. Yeah, this is your account balance receipts hasn't generated. Okay, now this is getting more fun. Let's do the third transaction, which is to pay bills. So let's check it out. We need to run the program again. So let's rerun the program. Yeah. So input your 4-digit pin. So let's see which pin do you want to try. Let's try 3321. Let's try that. So 3321. Yeah. Yeah, you have been verified. Okay, now we're going to pay bills, which is number 3. Pay bills, electricity bill, and water bill. Yeah, you have. Sorry about this. I'm supposed to put a space here. So sorry. Electricity bill and water bill. So, and number 3 is cancelled. Pick a number. So let's pick a number. Let's pick a number. Yeah, let's pick electricity bill, which is 1. Which month are you paying for? So let's say we are paying for July. Yeah, I'm supposed to start with capital letter. July. Which year are you paying for? 2023, of course. Okay, enter the amount for your electricity bill. So let's say it's 300, whatever. Enter the account number. So we need to provide the account number where we are paying the electricity bill. It's 9 digits. So let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. Okay. Your transaction was successful. Your receipt has been generated. Thank you for banking with us. Your balance is whatever. Take your card to start another transaction. Input your card. So let's check our receipts. Again, you can see the receipt 1 has been generated. So let's check that. Okay, yeah, this is so fine. This is looking so cute. It's like electricity holding company, destination account here, pay payment month July year 2023. Amount paid is 300. Your current balance is this. This your receipt here. Your receipt has been generated. Like this is so fun. So let's do another transaction. I'm enjoying this, right? So let's do another transaction. It is the first transaction to transfer funds. So let's take that. Let's do it. Let's run the program. Okay, let's pick a pin. Let's do 2023 pin. 2023 pin. Ah, it's right here. So let's pick a pin. 2023. Enter. You have been verified. You may continue to your transaction. So let's do 4 transfer funds. 4. Enter the account number, 9 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter the bank name. Let's pick a bank name. Well, let's just use our bank name mark. Okay. Enter amount. So let's say I want to transfer 200. But we don't know the balance this person has. Let's just transfer 200. Yeah, your transaction was successful. Your new balance is your receipt has been generated. Thanks for banking with us. Take your card to start another transaction. Input your card. So our transaction was successful and our new balance has been given to us. So let's check this receipt that has been generated. Okay, we go to our folder and yeah, We have your funds transfer receipt. This I like what I did. I like this project that I did. I just like it. Now look at it. It said your receipt for funds transfer, your transaction was successful, destination account, your bank name, and all those stuff. Yeah. And when you check your current balance with the balance of that user, you see that there's a difference. The amount has been removed. Okay. So yeah, this one. Now the last transaction, which is the fifth transaction, is to make a deposit. Let's put money into our account. So who are we going to add funds to? Let's do 9323. Yes, 9323. Let's do that. 9323. Okay. 9323. So yeah, you have been verified for transaction you want to perform. Five. Number five, we want to make a deposit. Enter the amount. So let's deposit 500. 500. So enter. Your transaction was successful. Now 500 has been added. Receipt has been generated. Thanks for banking with us. So let's check this receipt has been generated. So I don't know, you can check from here which was the account balance earlier. I think this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is it. We have 2521. Now let's check our receipts. Let's see what we have now. It said, okay, let's look for the receipt. Deposit receipt. Deposit. Okay, we need a deposit. Yeah, we now have so like let me open it for you so you can see. So we had initially, which is number 7. We had, oh, let me move it to the side. We have 2521. Now we added 500 and it's now 23021. So that's it. That's so let's see. Let's do more with this project. I want to do more. So let's assume a scenario where I input a wrong pin that's not here. So let's input a wrong pin. Let's see what it does. So run. I'm sorry, I should have clicked the wrong. Yeah, this button usually takes time to load. Why the other green button just it's faster? I don't know why. Yeah, okay. So let's wait. Oh, yeah, let's input a wrong pin. 2024. Your pin is incorrect and code is locked. Your pin is incorrect and everything goes off. Yeah, that's it. So let's assume a scenario where I input a wrong transaction. Now we have 5 transactions, we have 6 transactions, which is withdraw cash. Yeah, this is it. They are here. Withdraw cash, check balance, pay bills, transfer funds, make a deposit, and cancel. So let's assume that we don't pick any of this number. What would the program do then? Because we've coded it, will it function the way we tell it to do? So let's say we pick, I'm sorry for clicking that button again. Just click the green one because that one takes time to load. So let's see. So yeah, let's input our pin 2023. Yeah, pick a number. I pick 8. 8 doesn't exist here, so 8 is not a valid choice. Pick a number. Okay, I pick 9. 9 is not a valid choice. Try again. Pick a number. Okay, I pick 6, which is cancel. Alright, that's ended the program. So I hope you guys learned from this little project. It's a very small project compared to other project. It shows how important C is to real world application. You can actually apply the C language you're learning to real world application. So thank you so much for your time. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel to see more of our C projects. Thanks and bye.